Hello guys, welcome to my channel English with GBR Sir. My name is Basraj, an English teacher. Today I am going to teach you the usage of three words: price, prize, and praise. Before before I start, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Well, today, first one, price. Price means PRICE. Price means the value, the cost of something. The price of about cost. What is the price of this watch? It's about 800 rupees. In the same way, uh, price. Price means PRIZE. Price. Price means it's a noun. It's a reward. It is the reward won in the game or a competition. Last one is praise. Praise means to admire, to speak more lovely words about somebody. That is called praise. Admiring, talking too much about their qualities, good qualities, like that. Now let's see the examples one by one. Prize. Prize means ugly. I have already told you it is the money expected or given in payment for something. Andre bele. Price andre bele. What is the price of this TV? TV bele ಏನು ಹಾಗೆ. The price of the book is rupees 300. She won the next one is prize. PRIZE. Prize under reward or reward for winning a competition. She won the first prize in the contest. The girl won a prize. The boy got a prize. I want a prize. She has a prize. He was rewarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1985. There are many ways to win a prize. He struggled hard to win a prize. He was satisfied with a consolation prize. Next, praise means talking too much, admiration, showing admiration. I am so proud of you. General prize. You did a great job. I am so proud of you. Well done. Good job. That's right. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮರೆಯದೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್.